Let's go, Gin. You got this. Relax, Mike. You know what to do here, buddy. I'm looking forward to your van, man. I'm just killing the back. Man, my back's killing it. How many fights you got? 2, 3? 2.
There you go. There you go.
You got 2 in, 1 and 1. So you got at least 1 more.
Good.
That's good, man.
That knee in.
Just to give you a break. Jeez, that was a war last one, man. I mean, it looked like you were working hard the whole time. He was a big dude, man. He one-handed you over his head. I was like, are you fucking kidding me?
Should have lost those 3 extra pounds.
Yeah, you would have been cleaning up then, man.
That's what I thought if I dropped those pounds.
No, you definitely got strength like with these guys, man. But yeah, he was super tough.
Yeah.
No, it was a good dogfight, man. Come on, Gin, man. This is all you, buddy.
Breathing, Gin. You're breathing.
He's just hanging on to you, Mike. Take it easy, buddy. He's just hanging on to you. He's not doing anything. There you go, Mike. There you go.
Posture up. 4 minutes. There you go. There you go.
Keep working, Mike. Keep working, buddy. There you go.
Pass, there. Good. Good job, Rowan. Make your side. Nice, Mike. Keep going. Up your knees.
There you go, Mike. There you go. Nice pass, buddy. Did Rowan win? Come on, Mike. He's tired, buddy. He's tired. Keep working.
Across the throat. Breathing, Mike. Breathing the whole time.
That's it. Your side, Chris.
Scott and Dave. Scott Rose, Dave.
Get the right underhook. Get your right foot out.
Side shrimp. Look out for the core again.
Keep that in tight, Mike.
Yeah, get out of there, buddy. Yeah.
Come on, Chris. Need you to get around. Grab that foot and drive. Come on. See if you can push that knee. I want you on top. Let's go.
Get the right underhook, Mike.
Come on, Chris. Let's go. Come on, I want you on top. Let's go. Move. Get out there, Chris, now. Move, Chris, now.
Spread that out.
Come on, Chris, don't stop. Let's go.
Across the throat.
Come on. Come on, that's yours. Move it.
Keep going out.
Come on, Chris. Go. Good.
You got this, Mike. Breathe, buddy.
Good, Scott.
Lots of pressure, Chris. Lots of pressure, Chris. Come on, I want you to work. Don't let him go. Get out of there. I want you to work. Let's go. Lots of pressure. Lots of pressure. Good. Come on, Chris. Lots of pressure. Let's go.
Get it underhook with that left hand, Mike. Underhook with the left hand.
Come on, bud. Good. Stay with it. Stay with it. Joe, stay with him.
Yeah.
Good. Drive it, Chris. Drive it. Get that in there. Get it in there.
Push that knee off.
Lots of pressure, Chris. Come on. Lots of pressure.
There you go, Mike.
Yeah. Come on, Mike.
Take that, don't break
Come on, Chris. Come on. You got pressure. Your knees.
Roll, Mike. Roll.
Pressure, Chris.
Roll, Mike.
Turn your knees. There you go. Turn your knees.
The other way, Mike. Roll the
Pass
other
that through
way.
the other hand. Let's go. Back of his head. Back of his head, Chris. Come on. Pull it through. Come on. That's good.
There you go, again.
Good. Sink it, Chris.
Keep turning your knees. Keep that underhook,
Get
Mike.
it in there.
Keep that underhook. Good job.
Get it over top. Come on. Sink it in there. That was fun. Come on, Chris.
There you go, Mike. There you go, buddy. Work, Mike, work. Work, Mike, work. He's just resting on you, buddy.
There you go, pass that.
Yeah, keep trying. Why don't you pass that, Chris? Let's go right now.
He's sitting back lazy, buddy.
Do well. Right now, Chris, let's go. Pass it.
Two dominant positions here, buddy.
That's it, Mike.
There you go, Mike.
Keep going for it.
Okay. Watch the shot, Dave. Watch the shot. Work, guys.
Keep reading, Mike.
Hey, he's not doing anything, Mike. He's just sitting there, buddy.
Come on, Chris, you gotta pass. You gotta pass. Go, 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 go. Get across. Good. Work from half. Come on, work that arm. Let's go.
There you go, Mike. There you go.
Good.
Get back. Yeah, Mike. Work, work, work.
Same thing, Chris. Need you pass. One more. Come on. Posture up, Chris. Need you pass that. Let's go. Yep, get past. Another attempt. Drive.
Attempt.
Come on. Come on, Chris. Let's go right now. Right now.
Yeah,
Yes.
guillotine, Mike.
Come on, Chris. Posture up and get past. Let's go.
Sit up, Mike, sit up.
Good, good, good. Drive it over. Drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it. Good, good. Take it back. Take it back. He's holding you.
Hook a leg. Yeah, Mike, yeah.
Roll, Mike. Roll, roll, roll. Nice, nice.
Come on, Chris. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Yeah, Mike, you got it. Mike, 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 Mike.
Watch the net.
Good, Chris. Way to work.
You got that, Mike.
Yeah, good switch, buddy. Nice.
Way to work.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.